In this guide, we will be changing the air conditioner filter of a 2010 Proton Inspira, also known as the Mitsubishi Lancer in other markets. In order to access the filter, we will have to remove the glove compartment. Firstly, detach the lower portion of the glove compartment damper from the glove compartment. Press inwards at both sides of the glove compartment and let it lower down. Unhook the glove compartment. Gently pull on both tabs and remove the filter cover. Slide the old filter out and insert the new one. Always use genuine Mitsubishi filters. Pop the cover back on and fit the glove compartment back in place in reverse order of the removal steps. Here's a comparison between a new cabin filter and one that's been used for over 3,000 miles.